Good morning, guys. We are fucking late right now, and I woke up. I should be waking up at 5 o'clock, which I did, but after waking up, then I slept again. Was thinking that I'm just not. My sleep is not over, and I need a bit more sleep. And after sleeping 1 hour more, I will be able to have the good amount of sleep. Why this is fucking in yellow? I don't know. Mom have added her turmeric to this. So this is what happened. And then I literally gone and slept. And after waking up, I was like, "Fuck, Kudish, what you have done? There is so much lot of regret. How in the world I got into sleep? I should be sleeping for only 5 hours, and I would just sleep more than 5 hours. It's like 7 hours I slept. Am shame on me, you know. I fucking like I if I could beat myself, I could beat myself right now. But now I'm again. I will be on time, not late, but I will be on time for the bullshit motherfucking job today that I hate the most. I'm going to drink this milk, going to go down and going to the bullshit job. And yesterday, one more thing happens, which my mom cried literally yesterday because she's going to the job. There is so much stress over there. And I first of all, I hate them that they both go to the job. And it shows me how unsuccessful I am, right? How unsuccessful I am. Just because of my mistakes, this all like we all are suffering. I gone out of trading plan and see how the life becomes. What happens. And then yesterday night, and I was like, I am doing my best, mom. Don't worry, I'm doing my best. Just give me 15-20 days. And the just and also yesterday night, some dad friend came. I mean, some relative comes, and I was here like, don't. I will hire you, brother. I will hire you for, and we're going to shift some other place, like far from this home, and I will pay you the same amount of money. And I'm like, what? I don't wanna. But then I want to say I don't wanna, but impulsive I said yeah I wanna. Because there was mom dad. If I said no, then they will get angry. So I accidentally said yes, and they fucking I regret. So I need to learn that I'm very bad decision maker. I'm not bad. I make a very quick decision rather than thinking of it. I should be said it depends on what not rather than just saying yes instantly. Now fucking this is getting wait right now I'm getting late for work. We just have like 10 minutes in our hand. I turn on this video that I want to share. So this all is coming to the mindset. The mindset is again converting into poor mindset. I need more sleep. Let's be little bit relaxed. This mindset is a poor people mindset, and I don't want to be poor people. I have to do the brainwash again by listening to the Andrew Tate mindset course, which I have the G mindset course of Andrew Tate. He is a multi-billion-dollar entrepreneur, and he's sharing how he thinks and how a multi-billion-dollar entrepreneur should be thinking. I'm going to do that course after I reach the job. I'm just not going to do the bullshit motherfucking job work. I'm there to do my work, which technically that's true. Okay, let's just get this finished on. Look at this. I was parking over there, but then I park over here separate. So I reach on time, if not on time, in time. So I did fast driving. Yeah, I shouldn't. I'm sorry for fast driving, Uddesh. I'm literally getting out of my mind these days. Hello everyone. So I came on terrace. I literally came on ter- no, came home from the job. I haven't sure I'm leaving or not. But I came home. I just did a temporary basis. Got ready. Like just washed by water. I won't use a soap, which I usually do because I'm like I just don't wanna use it because it's getting late, brother. I mean, it's 5 o'clock. Okay. Usually I get ready till 5:40, 5:45. It happens like after eating and all, but I'm like fuck it. One more thing is about the trade update. We literally have beautifully avoided the loss, and yeah, so right now we can see over here it's 1702. That means 502. So you in euro JPY. Let me click on this. I was literally waiting for the retracement. It was going up, up, up. I was waiting for the retracement, and if I was interested to take the trade as I said yesterday, but I was not liking the idea that I'm taking the buy on a top stop. So that is the reason, because it's so high. It needs to have a retracement. Luckily, it works on my favor. So this is how it looks like. AUD NZD is also a trade which I'm actually actively interested in, where if this candlestick close like this, then the next candle I will wait for the rejection on a lower time frame, as we can see, to take the trade over here for selling. Pretty much this is it. GBP NZD, it is doing the thing which I wanted to. It is pumping to downside, but I was waiting for the price to come back to this area to take the sell trade, which never happens, never took the trade. GBP CAD on the other hand, this is a John. I was waiting for the daily doji, daily retracement, and then daily doji. Daily retracement we got. Now the daily doji is getting prepared. Then we can take the trade tomorrow to the upside if we got our entry signal. Look at this. This is why the patience for waiting this liquidity grab. This is right now. If I were end up taking the trade, because it was looking good to take the trade right here. We got every single thing over here, but it was not mean to take the trade because it needs to create such kind of fluctuations. This is what a professional trader get. I'm having a lot more experience right now than you. In Euro USD also, we have beautifully avoided a loss for waiting for the daily retracement, daily doji, daily retracement, and then now we are heading towards the daily doji. Technically this is not a daily doji, but it is somewhat the retracement. I want this candlestick to close like this, next candle to close above this box, then we can take the trade. Right now we are good. You know, we got every single thing over here to take the trade, but I didn't, just because of these. I was waiting for retracement and doji, and I was interested to take the trade in tomorrow, not today, not day before yesterday, just tomorrow. That's it. This is how the trade update looks like. So now we're going in to the trading study. Let's start. Signing off. I'm so honored. This, yeah, look at my fucking view. Look at this is so worse. I know that's but I've analyzed my currencies for doing the back testing. I mean, to match before I go into this his video and his analysis of $102 million channel. I have to do my own analysis. I have done my own analysis and I've shortlisted Euro GBP, and I wanted to keep that Euro GBP trade to the upside just because of I haven't keep, because this looks good. This is not that probable, but I can see that his analysis is exactly same. I mean, he have shortlisted the currency, but I haven't saw his analysis. I got happy when I see that he also shortlisted the same exact, which means we are actually matching his like frequency, the mindset. Let's do it. Sadly, the prediction didn't match. I mean, it does match, but it doesn't match the way it needs to be. Like, I'm waiting for the price to come back to this area and to take the sell trade from here to here up till this point, the daily EMA. But in his trades, he's technically looking for taking that buy from this EMA to upside. We can say 50% match, but it should be 100%. I want to copy his exact mind. So we're working, brother. Let's do it. Brother, every other thing is getting matched. Just only that currency, only Euro GBP currency didn't match. Rest other currencies are getting matched. I'm in the process. Look at this. I have this. This is what I have predicted. Means I was motherfucking correct and my mentor was wrong. Look at this. This was exact prediction. So I was looking to take the sell trade. Do you remember? I said I'm looking for taking the sell, but my mentor is looking for buy over here. But what plays? Sell fucking plays out. It looks so brilliant. Break, retest. So I was fucking correct in this prediction, brother. My mentor was wrong. Means I'm getting more good than my mentor. Oh fuck! This is a victory for me. This is a victory for me, brother. This is thank you for your appreciation. I just want to record all of this, brother. My eyes are like this eye is like burning like anything. Why I don't know. Kait's mighty eye. And man, look at this. Look at this. So I was exactly correct in my prediction. Where it is. I just have closed the tab. Avoided the loss. Crazy. Like, this is live market, okay? I was literally waiting for AUD NZD, as I said to you guys, that I was waiting for the price to come back to the area of interest to take the sell. It technically, if I zoom this, to be enough, it technically come back to the area of interest. And if we see in the lower time frame, if we just go on the lower time frame, we got the break, we got the retestment, we got the engulfing what we wanted to, but I haven't took this trade. You know why? Because look at this. If I go on the higher time frame, in the higher time frame, it just created that wick. I was saying that it needs to have the pullback, a candle pullback, not the line pullback, a full-fledged candle pullback on the 4-hour time frame to take the trade to downside. That theory have saved me the loss, because on the higher time frame it just can't continue to push to downside. It has to come back to the area of interest which we wanna to. Oh my goodness, this looks solid, bro. Fucking looks solid. I am avoided 2 losses in a row. First loss is certainly AUD NZD right in front of you. Even I have created a video on it. I'm creating the live trading video on it where I said, and after some time I saw and I instantly recorded, and I was like, look at this. I said this is going to happen. And this is avoided, first loss which is avoided over here. No, this is a second loss actually, and the first loss was the Euro JPY. This is a beautiful loss we have avoided. We were waiting for the break and then retest. It never happened, so it just gone, and I haven't took the trade. So it retraced and then taken all the stop losses over here. So I haven't took the trade because of we didn't got the retracement. But now we are getting the retracement, and now I will be interested to take the trade. But I will not take the trade right now because the time is 19:58, which means it's 8 p.m. So I don't like to take the trade after 8-9 p.m. in India. So I'm just like, we'll look into it tomorrow. If the move happens, and we miss the trade, happens. I don't care about missing the trades. I want to take the trade which has every single thing which I wanted. Because if I want the things, and if I got the things from the market, it will hit the take profit. Has a very high chances of hitting a take profit. So this is what my video uploading thing is still ongoing. I will continue to do that, and also I will keep the practice ongoing. This is a lecture. I was literally now from
20 hours
from here is live trading is going to get started, but I've paused this and doing my own live trading over here. I mean, the first I'm doing my own trading on that particular backtesting data, and then I'm going to check my mentor's data. So this is how back and forth we are going forward for. But I'm just sure you won't believe I got so mature in a trading, extremely. If I didn't have the losses which I have done up till now, was a bullshit. Okay, that was a bullshit mistake. But just because of that loss, I end up getting into this trade. I end up getting into this lectures, which is actually changing my whole trading perspective from whole 90-degree. It is so different than whatever you're teaching. Extremely, brother. Let's do it. Holy shit, this is still on. You wanna see this? Look at this. Look at this John right here. Look at this. What I'm doing over here. Practice with this beautiful background right here. And if I just reduce this, oh my god, this looks like a dreamy. If I do like this is like looks like a filmy shot. Hello brother, look at this. And now I am upside on the terrace from 5 o'clock. Holy shit, the brightness is so much. 5 o'clock, right? And now the time is how much it is? 9 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nearly 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. 4 hours, my dear brother. 4 hours. 4 hours took me for analyze all of these currencies, then take the trade on each and every single currency. Have one candle. I mean, I'm literally checking one candle. I'm just not rushing, because if I rush, then I will not be understand, and that makes then it will not make sense to do this in the first place, right? I'm doing this to first place because I fuck, you won't believe what is happening right now. Okay, I'm telling you. So only one One currency is remaining to do it. Next currency is this. Why I'm this much? I haven't drink a sip of water from 4 hours and मेरे को चक्कर आ रही है. I'm feeling like I'm dizzy, like everything is moving around me. So I just wanna go as fast as possible down and to drink the water as fast as possible. Let's go, motherfucking, let's go.